Welcome to your comprehensive guide on pricing and promotions in RouteMagic. In this session, we'll explore how to set up default prices, allow price adjustments on orders, define multiple price lists, manage customer-specific product prices or discounts, and leverage advanced features like volume-tiered pricing and promotional deals. Let's get started. Default prices. When you create or edit a product in RouteMagic, you specify a default price. This default is used across the system unless a price list or a discount overrides it. Managing default prices. Product management, products. Enter the standard price on each product's detail page. Effective date, optional. You can schedule price changes in advance. E.g., if the product's default price changes next month, set that date in the product details. Automatic logging. If your handheld setting van sales product price change allowed is on, the driver can override the default price at the time of sale. These changes appear in the default product price changes report for complete visibility of who changed the price and when. Price adjusting at sales order level. Enable price adjusting. By default, a sales order inherits the product's default price, or a price list override. However, if you enable price adjusting in the company settings, the back office staff can edit the final line item price on the sales order page. Workflow. Sale order screen. When adding a product, you'll see an editable price column if the setting is active. Use cases. This is ideal for special exceptions or in negotiating final deals without needing to define new price lists each time. Price lists. General price lists, customer-specific price lists, delivery point price lists. Overview. RouteMagic supports multiple types of price lists. For example, general price list, a broad discount or markup for many or all customers. Customer-specific price list, unique to particular customers, overriding the general list. Delivery point price list. If you have multiple locations for the same customer, each location can have its own specialized pricing, rarely used but possible if your settings permit. Creating a price list. Activate Enable price lists in the company level settings. Go to Product Management, Price Lists, and click Add. Discount or markup. Choose if you want to base it on a discount from default price or a markup on cost price. RouteMagic will show cost columns if markup is selected. Select products. Move desired items to the right panel to set new prices for them. Validity date, range start-end date if this price list is only valid for a promotional window. Applying price lists. General price list. In each customer's profile under Products, select the general price list from a drop-down. Customer-specific price list. In the customer-specific price list drop-down, pick a special list just for that customer. Price hierarchy. If a product is found in a customer-specific price list, that price is used. Otherwise, if it's in the general price list, that price is used. If not found in either, the system falls back to the default product price. Customer-specific default product prices. Default products. You can assign certain products as default to each customer, often including a specific default price per item. E.g., customer A always buys milk at a special rate. Setup. In Customer Management, go to Edit Customer and under Products, add the items you want as default for that customer. If Add Customer-Specific Prices for default products is enabled, you can specify unique per-item prices. If no price is specified, it uses the normal price list or default product price logic. Overriding. Should the driver or back office staff change the price for these default products, handheld setting permitting, the new price can be logged and used in future if you choose. Volume pricing. Volume-based pricing. If you give discounted rates when the customer buys large quantities, enable support volume-based pricing in the company settings. You can then define a threshold and a reduced price. Example, if the threshold is 10 units, buying 10 or fewer uses the normal price, say £9, but 11 or more uses a special price like £8.50. This total is based on the final quantity on the order line. How it works. Product page, tick Enable tiered pricing specifying the threshold and the new price. Order calculation. Once the user picks a quantity, the software checks if it exceeds the threshold. If yes, it uses the discounted tier price. Multiple UOM. If your product has case versus each units, the system sums the total units. For example, a case of 24 is 24 single units. If that sum crosses the threshold, the volume price triggers. Promotions. Product management. Creating a promotion. Product management, promotions. Enter a name, validity date range, and define the buy quantity and get quantity. Select the buy products and get products. Optionally, you can discount the get product or set it as free. Assigning to customers. On the promotions list, click the three-dot menu next to your newly created promotion and choose Apply Promotion. Select one or many customers or entire customer groups if enabled. The promotion is now active for them. Order management. Applying promotions in a sale order. Once a promotion is assigned to a customer, you can click Apply Promotion on the sale order screen. If the items match the Buy X condition, for example, buy 3 of product A, the system auto-adds the Get Y product, for example, 1 free product B, or discounts the relevant items. Stacking promotions. RouteMagic allows multiple promotions if the user and item sets meet each promotion's criteria. The final sale order might show multiple free or discounted lines. Settings. Enable Buy X Get Y promotions, a company-level setting that turns on the entire promotion engine. Without it, these options won't appear in the sale order or the product management screens. Promotion overlaps. If multiple promotions conflict or overlap, the system typically allows them all, but your business policy might specify how you want staff to handle that in practice, for example, only applying one best offer. Promotion visibility. On the handheld device, Van Sales, the driver can see if a promotion is triggered and typically chooses whether to accept the free discounted item or skip it. Conclusion. In this video, we explored all aspects of pricing and promotions in RouteMagic. Default prices and how they act as a baseline, price adjusting at the sales order level for quick one-off modifications. Price lists, general and customer-specific, with optional date-based validity or discount markup rules. Customer-specific default product prices for specialized rates on core items. Customer-specific discounts that layer on top of all other price logic. Volume / tiered pricing for quantity-based deals. Promotions in both order management and product management, from creation, assignment to usage in orders. By tailoring these settings from volume-based deals to advanced promotions, you'll optimize your RouteMagic environment for effective pricing strategies and dynamic promotional campaigns. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you maximize sales and customer satisfaction through RouteMagic's robust pricing and promotions features.